How to contact Facebook Live Chat support on Android. This tutorial shows you how to submit a support ticket and reach a live agent directly through the app. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. From there, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the three lines at the top left to open the side menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Help and Support. At this point, tap on Report a Problem from the options that appear. Following this, tap Continue to report a problem to proceed. From here, Facebook will begin creating a support ticket for you. Give it a moment while it gets set up. After that, briefly describe your issue in the text field provided. At this stage, if you want to include diagnostic data and logs to help the support team better understand the problem, tap Include to attach them. From there, tap on Select Product Category and choose Live from the list. Once done, describe your issue in detail in the message field. Finally, tap Send at the top right corner to submit your report, and a support agent will follow up with you. That's how you contact Facebook Live Chat support on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!